Have you ever wondered what sets successful leaders apart from the rest? Well, here is the answer. They all have coaches and mentors, and in this video, I am going to tell you why they do. No matter how smart or educated you are, having great, qualified mentors or coaches can propel you further and faster toward your goals. Trying to figure everything out on your own will take you twice the time. Mentors and coaches are the catalysts for your success. Here are 5 key reasons why having a coach and a mentor matters. Number 1, experience and wisdom. Mentors and coaches bring invaluable experience and wisdom, providing insights you might not see on your own. They've navigated challenges and can guide you through similar situations with their seasoned perspective. Their stories and experiences enrich your understanding and equip you with practical knowledge that textbooks and courses might not cover. Let me share a personal story about my mentor who helped me navigate a particularly challenging period in my career. Their advice not only helped me overcome the obstacle, but also taught me lessons I carry with me to this day. This experience underscores the profound impact a mentor can have on your journey. Number 2, accountability. They hold you accountable. John Maxwell emphasizes that having someone to report your progress to keeps you focused and on track. Accountability ensures you stay committed to your goals. Regular check-ins with a mentor or coach create a structure that helps you maintain momentum, stay motivated, and avoid procrastination. Did you know that people who have accountability partners are 65% more likely to meet their goals? This statistic highlights the power of accountability in driving your success. Number 3, objective perspective. Coaches offer an outside, unbiased perspective. They help you make better decisions and bring things into focus that you didn't realize were part of the big picture. This objective viewpoint is crucial for identifying blind spots and overcoming biases that might impede your progress. They can help you see your strengths and weaknesses more clearly, enabling you to make informed decisions. Imagine you're working on a critical project. A coach can provide an external perspective, spotting potential issues and opportunities that you might have overlooked. This fresh viewpoint can be the difference between a project's success and failure, and that's a game changer. Number 4, skill development. Effective coaches identify and develop your skills and strengths, encouraging you to execute in areas where you excel. They provide targeted feedback and personalized guidance that accelerates your growth. By honing your skills and leveraging your strengths, you become more effective and confident in your abilities, paving the way for greater achievements. Coaches use techniques to help you understand your strengths and areas for improvement, which can open up new avenues for personal and professional growth. Finally, number 5, encouragement and support. The right coach or mentor supports you, challenges you to excel, and provides the encouragement you need. They believe in your potential and push you beyond your comfort zone. This support system is vital for building resilience, maintaining motivation, and fostering a positive mindset. Knowing someone is in your corner can make all the difference during challenging times. Think about a time when you faced a significant challenge. Having someone believe in you and encourage you can be the key to overcoming obstacles and reaching new heights. My mentor's encouragement during a tough time helped me push through and achieve more than I thought possible. Many prominent leaders have attributed their success to their mentors and coaches. Eric Schmidt, former CEO of Google, credited his success to his coach, Bill Campbell, stating that having him as a coach was crucial for his professional development and leadership success. The late Steve Jobs was also coached by Bill Campbell and mentored by Mike Markkula, both playing significant roles in his and his organization's success. Having the right mentor or coach can accelerate your journey to success. Don't navigate your career alone. Secure the guidance and support you need to excel. Who are the mentors and coaches in your corner? Remember, who you learn from matters. If you don't want to be left behind, and if you want to get an edge on your competition, get yourself a mentor and a coach today.